Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G22 to an Android device. Begin with opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Over here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Receive on an Android and Send on Motorola. Then tap on all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your data and transfer it later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got it. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. After that we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon, selecting Allow or only this time in the pop-up and simply pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!